Java constructor in the Java special method that is used to initialize the object. The constructor is called when object of a class is created. It can be used to set the initial value for object attributes. We can say that constructor is a special member function used to initialize the field member of an object. There are some special point to be noted for the constructor, like constructor should always be in the public, default, protected. This is the visibility, so must be in from this public, private or protected. The name of the constructor should always be same as the class name. Then constructor should not have any return type, not even void. We cannot use any return type in constructor. Constructor is automatically called whenever an object of a class is created. There can be more than one constructor with a different parameter list. This is called a constructor overloading. We can use the parameter. So parameter can be passed to the constructor while creating the object in brackets. Then constructor can be classified based on the parameter base. So if no parameter are passed to constructor, such as a constructor is called a default constructor. If a parameter are passed to the constructor, such as a constructor is called a parameterized constructor. A constructor accept an object of a same class, parameter is called a copy constructor. Here constructor parameters means constructor can also take a parameter which is used to initialize the attributes. Following example, add an integer y parameter to the constructor. Inside the constructor we set x to y, x is equal to y. When we call constructor, we pass a parameter to the constructor. So 5 which will set the value of x is 5. Here example for that, public class main, name of the class is main. Then integer x, we declared the value of x or initialize the value of x. Then public main integer y, x is equal to y. Public static void main string argument as main object. Main my object is create one object by using new. So main my object is equal to new. Then here we required main in the bracket 5, that is, then after this is a new line, write system.out.println my object.x. So same way output of this program is 5. Then Java reference variable. What do you mean by reference variable? Reference variable are used to refer to an object. They are declared with a specific type that cannot be changed. Here types of reference variable we can declare as a static variable, instance variable, method parameter as well as local variable. These are the reference variable in Java. Let me discuss the list of library class used in Java. Here the Java class library that cover java.applet, java.language, java.util, java.io, java.net. Various type of class is available for in the class library, as well as in the second unit we already discussed the mathematical function like square root, sine, cosine, all things also available in Java class library. While we are using the java.io, so what is the purpose of this class? Mainly it used for input and output function. IO is nothing but an input and output function. While we are using with language, so java.language class is used to character and string operation. Java.awt, AWT is nothing but the interface. Abstract window toolkit is nothing but Windows interface. Then java.util, this is used to develop the utility program. Java.applet, used for applet programming while we are using the printing. So this applet is used. Then java.net, used for network communication, mainly used for network communication. Java.math, used for various mathematical calculation like power, square root, etc. Then what do you mean by static variable? Static means its value can't be changed. So class variable, also known as a static variable, are declared with static keyword in a class, but outside a method, constructor or a block. There would only be one copy of each class variable or class, regardless of how many objects are created from it. Static variables are rarely used other than being declared as a constant. Static means its value can't be changed. Constant are variables that are declared as public or private. Final and static. Constant variable never change from their initialization value. Static variable can be accessed by calling with class name. So whenever we required the static variable, we must write class name dot variable name. Here one example for static variable, we need to import java.io.star. Then name of the class is employee. Here we are using static keyword private static double salary, because salary variable is private and static variable. Its value must be fixed. So for that we required here the access modifier is private is used. Then we write static keyword. Then salary is covered in double data type. Here department is a constant, so we write public static final string department is equal to development. So by using final keyword, you make it a constant. Then public static void main string argument as salary is 10,000 1000 system.out.println department. Then salary will be print plus salary, means value of salary will be displayed. Department is development and average salary. Here output like this, development average salary 1000. Here what is a constant and how to define the constant in Java? We all familiar the value of pi, that is a 3.14. So this type of a declaration whenever we required in our program, so final keyword is used. Means during your program value of pi 3.14 can't change. We all familiar. So for that, what do you mean by constant? A constant is a variable whose value cannot change once it has been assigned. Java doesn't have built-in support for constant. A constant can make our program more easily read and understood by other. In addition, constant is catched by Java virtual machine as well as our application. So using a constant can improve the performance. To define a variable as a constant, we just need to add a keyword final. Here final keyword is most important while we are using each and every variable make to constant in front of variable declaration. So here you can say that syntax or example, by using final keyword, whatever final, then data type as well as variable. Here pi is equal to 3.14 is pi is variable declaration. then this variable can't change the value of pi at any point in the program. Then Java access modifier or visibility modifier. Java provides the number of access modifier to set access level for the classes, variable, methods and constructor. The 4 access level are visible, like visible to the package. Default means no modifier are needed. Default means no modifier are needed. Then second, variable to the class only private. We can create only for class, that is called the private. If visibility to the world means we open for all the program, so it become a public, it accessible to all the world. Visible to the package, all subclass. If we need visibility to the package as well as all the subclass, so it become a protected. Default access modifier means no keyword. Default is not written in access modifier or in program. It is a default access modifier, means we do not explicitly declare an access modifier for a class, field or method. A variable or method declared without any access control modifier is available to any other class in the same package. The field in the interface are implicitly public, static, final, and method in the interface are by default public. Here example, like variable and methods can be declared without any modifier. So in this program, string version is equal to 1.5.1. Here we are not using any access modifier. That means default access modifier is used. Here process order contain the data type boolean. It become a return true. Private access modifier means private method variables and constructors that are declared private can only be accessed within the declared class itself. Private access modifier is most restrictive access level. The class and interface cannot be private. Variables that are declared private can be accessed outside the class if public greater methods are present in class. Using the private modifier, the main way that an object encapsulates itself and hides data from outside the world. Here example for that, class use the private access control by using one class name is logger. So public class logger, private string format, public string get format. It return the format by using this dot format. Public void set format, string format. This dot format is equal to format. Public access modifier. What do we mean by public access modifier? A class, method, constructor and interface, all things that declare public can be accessed from any other class. We can access from any other class. Public means we can access from anywhere. Therefore, field, methods, block, all things that declare inside the public class can be accessed from any class belonging to the Java universe. However, if the public class we are trying to access is in different package, then public class still need to be imported. Because of class interface, all the public method and variable of a class are inherited by its subclass. Here one example, the function use public access control. Public static void main string argument s. Here main method of application has to be public, otherwise it cannot be called as a Java interpreter such as a Java to run a class. We must mention the keyword public. In the protected access modifier, variable, method and constructor which are declared protected in the superclass can be accessed only by the subclass in other package or any class within the package of the protected member class. Here one example, the following parent class use protected access control to allow its child class and override open speaker method. Here the method is open speaker. So name of the class is audio player. To save the program by using Java, you have to save audio player.java and run the program audio player java c audio player.java. Here protected boolean open speaker. Here method is open speaker. We require the here the object like speaker sp. So implementation details you can write here in the protected body. Then class streaming audio player that extend main class is audio player. So it extend audio player. In the subclass that is called streaming audio player, only subclass can access the package of superclass. So boolean open speaker speaker sp, this implementation details you can write here. By using this superclass and subclass in the protected access modifier, you can use. Java encapsulation we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you for attending this session. Please like and subscribe the channel.